What's up? We back in the barrage. It's around over there texting.
I'm looking at my Dogecoin.
Using Dogecoins.
Hey, I made $200.
Nice. What am I saying? So today we're gonna be doing thermostat, trying to put the front end back on the G35. Oh, I didn't say that we were even working on the G35. For those of you who are new joining us, the G35 is my drift car, soon to be drift car as soon as I start drifting. So we got to work on getting the thermostat in, changing the belts. Also the oil cooler that just came in. That was a Rev 9 oil cooler. I'll show you guys that once we start. But see, it's still in pieces, but we getting there. Last time I remember we got the motor in. That was the last time that we touched anything. Did get those new wheels. Hookups gotta be. See, we gotta get pretty much most of the lines hooked up. This is for the starter. The intake and stuff. Get some liquids in there. Yeah, it's dusty as hell. I'll wipe it down before we start. Cause I've been seeing the garage. Oh, you guys haven't seen the garage since either. So as you see, I'm getting done. See, it's all nice and painted over here. This is new garage, old garage, old garage, new garage. So I'm putting my cabinets over here. Cabinets and stuff are gonna be. I'm gonna get one more tool cabinet, and then so I'm gonna put it over here. Get my cabinet set up. Get a shelf going over here. Tables going over here. Not shelves, table. I said shelf. Table over here, cabinets up top here, and I'm probably gonna put my speakers way up there. And I wanna get a spot for a TV too, right around here somewhere. So we gotta get that going. But I see my car, so I don't know if you guys are picking up on camera, but it's so dusty for me working on the garage. It's on the lift, so I can't really cover it up or anything. But about to get started. Javon's already getting going.
You sure this is for the starter?
Yeah, I'm pretty sure that's where it started.
This has the same type of ground that goes right here.
Oh, maybe not for starter. I thought that was for the starter. Cause I know we didn't hook the starter in. So,
This is, I think this is for the.
yeah, it might go on. It might go on.
This goes onto the fuse box or something.
Maybe it goes on. It could go on here because there's a screw missing here.
There you go. Yeah.
Yeah.
And that goes onto the battery.
Yeah. So the ground is over here. Cause I think
This is the starter.
But yeah, we gotta. Yeah, we just gotta pick it up and see.
Yeah, that goes here.
Yeah, we'll get there. But so far it's coming along. You know, we're gonna see how far we can get today, and we're just gonna keep on going. You know, cause we got all these parts over here that have to go on, all that over there. So I like to get it started up soon. I don't think today's gonna be that day, but at least we can get it close. You know. But all right, be right back. Trying to fill you guys in real quick because we're not filming everything. But we got the hoses. There were some hoses that weren't connected. Got the bleeder valve on back there. We still have to hook up the ECU that goes through there. John's working on the brake lines right now, just connecting those back up. What else we have to do? We got the intake and stuff back on here. You gotta get that in there. Intake. I know it's dirty right now. I'm just gonna put it on now because we just want to see if we can get it started. And then after it started, I'm gonna take it off and clean it up and make it look pretty decent. It's a budget bill, but it don't mean that I have to look gross, right? So, and then
somebody to say right back. You just waiting for that
I'm getting them crowd, you know.
You're supposed to be like, rah!
Yeah. But
Filmed in front of a live audience.
So then right here we're gonna get that thermostat off right there. Change out the belt. And and the oil cooler down at the bottom. But just filling you guys in on what's going on in between the scenes. So that's what's going down. I've got the parts. And it's just that bolt over here. See, that bolt right here has to come off. But we still have to take off that and that. Then undo that bolt, then it'll come out. Why are you taking out that? This might make it easier for us to bring it out. Cause this has to come off.
Okay.
Clear filters in the back. I mean, not the gasket.
Oh, you gotta change the gasket too.
Yeah.
I forgot about changing the gasket. I'm like, I thought you put the oil cooler on. You just put the sandwich plate.
Nah.
Alright, gotcha.
got that off with the what's that again? 22.
Yep.
All right, so the nut that you need to get up there for that was 22.
Here.
Yeah. That little ring. Let me see. I'm gonna get the light so they can see. So for that one, okay. So for that right there, you need the 22 to get that nut off, and then the gasket is behind that one. I always said too to get that nut off, buddy.
Alright, so as you can see here, got the cooler on, about to hang the lines. Let those hang, then I'm gonna pre-fill the oil cooler. Get that all going, so when we put the front on, we can kind of just route it up and put it where we want to go. Oh, there we go. Alright, so let me find a freaking wrench. Dude got everything everywhere here. Need a wrench to go in there. And need to actually buy the AN ones, but you know, nobody buys those until I don't know. Ooh, need these. Let's see if I can find something up here. Oh, no. This is definitely about to be. Let's see. Well, that's bigger than a 24. Alright, so I'm gonna just put them on by hand, and then when Mike comes back in, I was looking for my phone. Alright, yeah. So when he come back in, we'll figure. I'll let him tighten those up. One hand power. Hey,
What's up?
take that.
Man, right in my face. It's like, okay, I got the camera back after Javon shoved it in my face like a kid at grandma's. Come get your kids. Why did they make them so long?
Like, where are you routing this?
I guess we gotta put the front on it and then we
go
see.
here to like right here.
Yeah, we have to see. I think it's supposed to go like here, like underneath or something like that. But the front, but we have to see. Yeah, we'll have to see when it's all done. Cause look, I'm sorry. So you guys probably like, what's going on with the camera? All right, so the lines they gave us for the oil cooler is like really long, really long. But I'll show you guys real quick.
The car, yeah, the first thing put the oil cooler on. But you didn't want to. It don't drain a lot of oil when you do it. So you already put oil in that part.
So that's how long it is.
And it only needs to come out like right here.
Yeah.
If you think about it.
We'll see. Well, let's start doing the radiator and stuff and get it together, see what we got.
Alright, come on.
All right, we'll be right back, guys.
I know we kind of keep jumping around, but we ain't know what we're doing. I ain't never worked on no G35. But it's pretty much car basics, right? We put the front cross member, or whatever they call this. Because this is not what I'm used to with Hondas. But, got this on. Got the lines directed. Gonna be putting the cooler. Came with this bracket here. This one needs to go somewhere in front of here, drill that through. Put this on. Go here. Have the oil cooler sitting like that. I mean, it doesn't have to go here, but this is where they recommend it. And we probably could put it in a wheel well or however we suit for it to go. But, and then we're just gonna run the lines where they need to run.
Yeah, right. And then we got two other bolts that we got. We have to see which ones go where, because we got this car in pieces when we received it. I'm not sure. I don't think those go in there. No. Alright, that's not it then. We're back. So right now, the problem is that I'm sure the other side still has it.
Little
So
nubs.
these little nubs here, see them? They were in the way. So we gotta grind them down.
Alright, now we gotta just get a drill, line up, mark up.
I got a drill bit over there. I'm gonna grab that. Be right back. I hate this thing, man.
Having some trouble.
Childproof.
You calling yourself a child?
Okay, man, you don't get as old as you think you are. And I don't still feel like an adult after all these years. Sometimes I do, like, I don't think I'm an adult yet.
Let's go take a look outside while he messes with that.
I'm about to get this to you. Let's see if he can do it now. Just my luck, you're gonna get it in like 2 seconds. I don't like you right now.
That's number 2.
Alright, where's that bracket piece so I can match up?
Right there. That's where you want to place it, right there?
Yeah. I didn't go all the way through with the hole, I just pretty much dimpled it.
Yeah, yeah.
So I can see for sure if that's where I really want to do it. And then I'm going to take these over here.
Well, matter of fact, you know what you should do? Connect this onto there so you can
See
see
how far it's going to get?
Yeah, see how these actually.
Alright, that makes sense. We are OJTing it up today, buddy. I'll tell you that much. Turning this all kind of topsy-turvy. I don't know. So in the thing, in the kit, gives us these right here. Let's see if you can see I'm focusing on that. Focus. There we go. So you're here, and then these have to get crunched inside where it's threaded. So that's what we're doing right now. We're just trying to crunch them.
So for these nuts thingies, or
Nuts. All right.
see you have drilled the hole there, put that piece in. So this is a little tool that
Yeah.
they sent with us. Well, with the kit, it's like a little spacer piece. Where it allows it to. Hold on.
Yeah. And then
Then it has a little washer, long piece, long bolt. Put that through, thread it in there.
push that little thing in there.
Then it kind of like just slowly.
Yeah, it'll crush the
brings
back
in.
of it. We'll try to show you guys on the back end if we can get in there with the camera.
I can't really see in there.
It's like it's not catching it. It's not. Oh, you got it? Okay. Is it crushing?
Don't know.
Okay, we're aborting the crushed washer.
And we're gonna use zip ties. See, works just fine. No, ain't going nowhere.
No, that's just temporary because we're just gonna straight bolt it in there. Because one crushed washer worked great the first time. Second one, it just like stripped, so we can't use that again. So I'm just gonna go to the hardware store, get some nuts and bolts. But right now, we just want to put the oil through it, get everything started up, and see if we can get it turned over and put the oil in there. So give it a second again, because I need my hands. All right, so we gotta hook up the part for the battery for the ground. So that was one of the things that was overlooked by myself because I forgot to put it back on. Actually, I never took it off. Just mounted it over here to the side when we were putting up the battery. So Javon sanding down the part where it was so what, the 10?
10, yeah.
So Javon was sanding down the part on the paint so that it can have a good connection. Give me 1 second, guys. So we ran into some problems like I expected. We have everything hooked up and everything ready to go. This dude right here.
We got new toys.
toys for his son, but he's telling us he got new toys, right? But so what had happened was, all right.
You gotta hit it like a New York. It'll be like, so boom.
So we got everything hooked up like we planned for today. So everything was hooked up. The oil cooler was hooked up. All the connections were hooked up. We didn't do well, it's not important, but the thermostat that we wanted, we didn't do that. But it's not important because
the radiator not in yet. So.
But so that's what we got. We tried to see if we could start it up, but on an oversight on my behalf, I didn't even know. So I guess I don't know if you want to call it oversight. So when I bought the car, the engine and the ECU came from a different car, but I thought the ECU still came from the same car. But I guess when he sold me the car, the ECU and the engine came from a different car, which I knew the engine came from a different car, but I didn't know anything about the ECU.
The engine and ECU came from a 4-door version.
Yes.
Basically a G35 sedan, and we put it in a different car, G35.
Yeah.
So basically all the VINs and all the numbers and computers are not connecting and
things aren't matching,
communicating with each other.
So I gotta have it reprogrammed. So I'm gonna call somebody to see if they can come down and get that done. So once that's done, everything should start up in theory. So we'll have to see. But until then, I'm gonna keep on, doing whatever we gotta do. Hopefully next time Javon comes down or whatever, we can get the different stuff. Yeah, we'll do some rear end stuff and maybe start working on the suspension, and we'll see if I can get somebody down here to do that. If not, I'm gonna have to trailer it down to Nissan, which I don't want to do because they're gonna charge me a lot more. So, hey.
No, there's definitely companies though. Because when I worked at my old towing job, and they had to get keys made for other cars and like get it reprogrammed, there's people that you have the little dudes that have their own companies and their own trucks. Yeah, there's those little key programmer units.
I just gotta get them down here on a So, all right, so that's it for today because I don't really have anything else going on and I'm hungry. I didn't even eat since breakfast. I only had some Honey Nut Cheerios. So, bruh, starving right now. All right, so we about to wrap it up. Don't forget, make sure that you subscribe. If you stick with us this far, I appreciate you. Thanks. And, I'm not sure what's going on for next week, but we'll have something.
We'll make something, dude.
We'll make something. So, all right, like, comment, and subscribe. See you next time.
That's ISO. Rack it up, I got a bit of the bank to make me a safe house. Shake it up, she got her hands on her knees and she bringing the cake out. Smoke it up, I got some gas, some packs, I'm up in the greenhouse. Ball it up, I'm with the gang, we taking shots off the rebound. Fucking my posters, say now, I've been humble too long, yeah. Tell them all to stay calm, yeah. Tell them all to move on.